The image appearing on your screen has to be possibly the most important trait of a business analyst, and that is possessing T-shaped skills. As you can see, the vertical bar on the T represents the depth of your knowledge and expertise. And the horizontal bar looks at the ability to work with all kinds of departments, where you cooperate with experts in other areas, the so-called jack of all trades. I didn't make any of this up. The idea originally appeared in an article from a newspaper coming out of the UK titled The Independent of London, and the author was by the name of David Guest. In fact, this was published back in 1991, so it's really not a new idea. Here I'd like to quote you something from that article, if I may. A variation on the Renaissance man, equally comfortable with information systems, modern management techniques, and the 12-tone scale. Like I said, a jack of all trades. So why do I see T-shaped as being a major part of business analysis skill set? Well, if we say that a strong knowledge within a certain domain allows for an individual to perform deeper analysis, then it's clear why this description was made for a BA. That being said, we can't know everything. We talked about the ability to ramp up your knowledge in a previous video lecture, but let's face it, there will always be others that are more knowledgeable. Okay, let's look at these two components individually. First, let's look at the functional and disciplinary skills of a business analyst. Certainly elicitation is one. Well, we haven't talked about this one yet, but here we're referring to the way that we collect requirements. The ability to perform analysis is another one. Certainly the problem-solving talents that we talked about already should be included here. Now let's move to the horizontal. In the next lectures, we'll be talking about communication and interaction skills. Here, we're looking at the ability to manage the relationship we have between all kinds of stakeholders and what kind of communication we use to make sure we reach our goals. So do you see any of these traits within your own skill set? Do you see why they are important? Any ideas how you can foster them? I'll leave you with these questions and look forward to seeing you at our next video lecture. Thank you.